Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. Joined here by my husband, Rick.
Hey there. Hello.
Interesting.
Always. You just never know.
You always throw me off. Do that on purpose.
It's half the fun. Sport.
Okay.
So we've got an interesting segment here for you folks today. A couple, 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, we filmed a really cool segment, and we actually did a video for the Recipe Dash on the Kitchen Shop Online. And it was Paula making a lasagna, and I love lasagna. It's one of my favorite dishes, so I love it. And you probably saw last week we were having some fun with the Big Bang Theory, and there was the one scene about did you push record?
Yes.
And it wasn't a scenario of not pressing record, there was just a problem with the camera. But either way, we didn't get a segment on the lasagna, so here we are today. We have it all corrected. So fortunately, we had some leftover that we put in the freezer.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh, no.
Is it still good?
Oh yeah.
Because that's like the last piece.
Yeah, saved it specifically for this, and that was not an easy choice to do. I wanted to eat that lasagna. But I'm going to tell you folks, it turned out amazing. Like,
yeah.
It really did. And you can explain to the viewers watching what you did with it that was unique.
Well, as you know, I'm big on coffee and finding new ways to use up coffee. And I decided, since I did a chili coffee recipe, I decided, how about lasagna? They both have tomato sauce in it. So to the tomato sauce, I added some coffee.
And as we've said before, the coffee in the sauce, it's not like all of a sudden you're going, oh man, I can taste coffee, because you really can't detect the coffee per se. But I think that what it does, it just pulls the flavors out of all the other ingredients, and it does a great job doing it.
Yes.
So
yeah, the purpose isn't to eat lasagna and have it taste like coffee.
No, not at all.
No.
And you wouldn't know if I guarantee if you served that to anybody and said, you know, can you taste anything in there? Do you taste any coffee? They'd be like, no.
No.
No. So, but it is awesome. And then you used a spicy Italian sausage?
I did hot Italian sausage. It's got like all the spices in there that you need.
Tons of flavor.
Yeah. Super easy recipe, like crazy easy. I'm actually quite amazed, like some of the recipes we've been doing, they're not that hard.
No.
Even like, yeah, there's a few steps, but not really all that difficult.
No, they're not. They're pretty simplistic. And that's what I love about being able to do them for you guys for the Recipe Dash, is we can show you a quick 60-second video of how it gets put together.
Yeah.
And then you just follow the recipe, and it's super easy. What do you got for coffee here?
Well, I have Lion's Bay.
More Lion's Bay coffee.
Oh, we got a lot.
We honestly don't have shares in the company. We should. Kelvin.
Well, I was in the mood for more coffee, and as it's progressing throughout the day, later in the day, I thought I would try their decaf. And so I used a plain, unsweetened soy milk.
And as we said in our tasting video we did a few weeks back, the decaf, I would challenge anybody to tell that was a decaf.
Oh, yeah.
If you tried that straight against an ordinary cup of coffee and tried their decaf, I guarantee you at least 9 out of 10 people could not tell.
Correct.
It's amazing.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Okay, which we should try this first so our palate doesn't get messed up.
Yep. It'll just enhance the lasagna.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a really nice flavor.
You would not know that was a decaf. You wouldn't know.
It's nice and smooth. Has
what I like
flavor that reminisces with hot chocolate.
Yeah, I could see that, but that could also be the foam that you got going on too, right? Right. But you know what? On I would say to anybody who's wanting to have that sort of flavor of the coffee.
Yes.
It's after the witching hour for them. Then this is an awesome.
This is a winner.
Yeah. Really good. Really good. All right, dive into the lasagna.
That side's real pretty. Look. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna take the side.
This is awesome. I love it. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I could literally, I mean,
oh my God.
I could eat like half of a pan of that. As I sit there last night, I have to share this with you. Last night I'm working away doing editing on my computer. And it literally felt like I had a V8 engine in my chest going. And I took my blood pressure. My blood pressure was something ridiculous, like 76 over like 109 or something like that. But my heart rate was like 95.
Back it up, back it up. Say the blood pressure again.
I don't know. It was like...
You reverse the numbers.
Yeah, reverse the numbers. There you go. What I can tell you though, yeah, it was, yeah, exactly. No, you got that right. Yeah. So it was like what did I say?
It was like 112 over...
Like 76 or something. It was something,
yeah,
which is not bad. But the heart rate was like 95.
Yeah.
I'm going, I feel like I'm running a marathon right now and I'm just sitting on the couch working.
And I then got mad at him because he's got this elevated heart rate, and what have you been doing?
Listening to her nagging me.
And then you retook your measurements. And then what happened?
That was bizarre. She yelled at me, nagged at me, and gave me a hard time. I took my blood pressure and everything went down.
Yeah, the numbers went down.
The heart rate came down. He
was so late. Oh.
What? Anyways.
Yeah.
Delicious, delicious, delicious. I love it very much. So we'll put the recipe link down below for you folks, and you'll be able to make this up yourself. Super simple instructions to follow. And again, really great coffee.
It was awesome. Both of them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, hun.
All right. Well, listen, we're going to wrap it up. Mm-hmm. I'm going to finish this lasagna. No,
you're not. You had most of the lasagna. This is my piece.
Okay, we'll let you have that one. And we'll catch you folks next week. And don't forget, click that subscribe button, hit the reminder bell, give this video a thumbs up because we want you to love our videos. And check out our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca if you're in Canada, groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're outside of the Canada, if you're US, international, whatever. So,
okie doke.
Okie doke. Take care, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.
Ciao, ciao.